the words of the Afropunk organizers, if it rains, make it fashion. this is really happening. What's up, guys? Good morning from Johannesburg. I didn't just get here. I got here yesterday afternoon after a very long bus ride, but really comfortable from Cape Town. Closing that chapter. That was a really amazing, really hectic, really interesting 9 months in Cape Town. And I'm on my way home by way of Joburg for the week. So I am staying at once in Joburg, and I'm here covering the Rebirth Festival and then finishing it off with Afropunk. I can only be here for the first day of Afropunk. It's on the 30th and the 31st. December 31st is the last day of my visa, so I have to actually go, which is really sad. Have breakfast. I've got a meeting with Jordan from Tastemakers Africa, just to see what's happening, what they're doing in town. Yeah. And then we have the opening of Rebirth Festival tonight.
December 15th because we haven't stopped.
Meeting is done with Jordan. It was a nice informative research about what tastemakers are doing and how I can be involved being between Nairobi and Cape Town as what it's looking like right now. So it's cool. I'm going to finish my tea and then head back. And then I've got the Rebirth Festival opening night at 6 o'clock. That'll be really cool. It'll be really interesting. So I'm excited. Yeah. So there's some posters of what's happening this week. Ooh, Rebirth Festival, yes. Beginning of dinner was postponed, but it's time. This is Todd. Say hey to the YouTube.
Hey YouTubers! All the way from South Africa.
All the way. Sambonani, Dumelang, Lukai. Not Huyamura. Huyanach, all those things. Okay, we're gonna go eat.
Yeah,
who's coming? After a beautiful dinner and bumping into Miss Natasha amongst other ex-Cape Town guests. There are like 3 more people who are here like around the same time. We're gonna catch the Beryy documentary called Mama Africa. It's lit. Good morning! It is the day after the opening night. Last night ended off with a really cool documentary by Beryy called Mama Africa. Really just cool about her career in music and her, so noisy, her career in music and her activism and her fight and her encouragement of Pan-Africanism through her music and through her relationships with people, which is really like a good note to start this off on. Take 2, I forgot my breakfast voucher. But anyway, I was saying the conversations of Pan-Africanism and why things haven't changed that much actually, because the movie kind of concluded with Hima Sekela, her ex-husband, saying in the end her dream really didn't come true of Pan-Africanism. Like, we're kind of in the same state and having to give the same messages of like Africans unite and black people around the world unite, and it's unfortunate that it's not really that different. Like, we're not like united, especially as a continent, and I just want to, just talk to people from other parts of the continent and talk about traveling around the continent for people, So it's really interesting and I'm really inspired by that. So I slept on it and I'm keen today. We start with a bicycle tour of Bloemfontein. I was sitting here like, whatever, they all look the same, I'll just chill in here. And then I saw there's a gold bike, dibs.
The annual street art festival that we host here in Rom, where they change a lot of these materials and they allow new artists to come and show.
Next stop. So the name of this club or bar / rooftop club is Randlords, which is the surname of the previous owners of this building and probably many more, who were just like billionaires who owned the whole joint. And then I don't know if it was in '94 or just like towards the fall of apartheid, they decided to just pack up and leave back to the UK. So they left all these abandoned buildings. So we're here on the 22nd floor of I think it's South Point Towers, but Landlords is this club over here. None of the rest of the building is used. Just 21 floors totally unused. So we're at the top. They may be talking about developing it as apartments or something, but for now, pretty much just the top gets used as a club / skydeck / rooftop Instagram shoot location. It's been really nice up here. We are moving on. Yeah, let's go. Love her. I love you. See you later. How's everyone feeling?
Sanbanan guys, hi. So my name is Teko Molife. I was supposed to do storytelling, but I do storytelling best with poetry. And that's how I'm gonna start. My heaven always came from a potent drink. Tonight, the glass is half empty. My heaven is always fleeing, always going.
Very eventful dinner. It was lovely. And now time for a tastemaker's blackout party. Outfit change. Just gonna get Mariette.
I think so.
Just watching some Niger TV in this one's room. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey!
Meet Mariette, everybody.
My name is Mariette Immaculate. Some of you might know me as Catface on the internet. Meow. Merry Christmas, and I wish you all a Happy New Year. Don't forget to check out my online store, Shop Catface, for some delicious ombre braiding hair, and also my lovely studio, Studio Catface, for some fantastic fashion so that you too can stunt on those hoes. You know what I'm saying?
Stunting on these haters. But you heard it from the horse's mouth. We're going across the street to an all black party, but Mariette's not in black. We're gonna see how that goes.
I'm black.
Tell you how it goes. Just outside number 7 when I thought it was gonna be 87. And it's too full inside, so. Hello, good morning from day 3 in Joburg. Last night's party was amazing, really fun, and got to meet some of the rest of the Tastemakers team, so shout out to you guys. You put on a sick party, but I think I only lasted like 2 hours and then I got tired and came home and made tea and slept. So I just had breakfast, and in about like an hour, less than an hour's time, we are off to Soweto, and I think we'll have like a traditional lunch. And I believe we are learning to make nkomboti. I'm not saying that right. Q and Xhosa is so difficult. Nkomboti. I think I got it. Just arrived at Miriam's house in Deep Club, Soweto. I think we're in the east of Soweto. But for today we're gonna roam around, take pictures, make some beer. We're supposed to make it as well. Like we're going to learn to make it. And then we get a liter each.
Wow.
Compensate for missing Christmas.
That sounds...
Take my family African beer. Okay. And it's a wrap. Took a little mkomboti to take home to Nairobi. You know what I'm saying? Is this for you? Is it for you?
This is for me and Tate. We're going to share it once.
Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, everybody took some for the road. You don't just drink it and don't share, you know what I mean? So, if you catch me in Nairobi in the next week, see if I have some left. Market time and I found the Kenyans. Hey, tell everybody about your brand and what you do.
She's a spokesman with the junior spokesperson.
That's so cool. So the brand is called Cute, yeah?
No, we change it mostly every time.
We're schizophrenic.
Okay, cool.
There was a mini at the bottom, so we try and incorporate different Swahili words.
Okay.
Moja, Arambe.
Cool.
So
Cool. They like that here.
They love that.
They love that shit.
So you need to connect with them.
That's cool. That's cool, man. Yeah. That's why I was drawn here. I came straight to the Kenya.
And that's basically what Rebirth Festival is. It's for us to inspire everybody who partakes, who comes into our space, for them to leave the festival, to be inspired to be who they are. And whatever industry they are working in, and whatever entity they are a part of, or whatever field they are associated with. But we want to reincarnate, or to rebirth, the spirit and the energy of individualism.